Hello subscriber, today our topic is introduction of a power plant. I will be clear that the introduction of a power plant and why the power plant has been needed for power plant, and also we have a discuss about the fundamental charges and what the governments are doing about the power plants to increase the power needed to the people and their societies. A single message is giving that the everyday population has been increased, so the electrical power system utilization has been increased, so the power requirement is also needed to be increased. The introduction of a power plant, the whole world is suffering from an energy crisis, and the population is manifesting itself in a spiraling of a cost of energy and uncomfortable due to increase in the population as well as the depletion of a conventional energy resources and increasing curves of a population elements. So these the power plant has been required for this need of a power plant to meet the challenging. One way is a check growing energy demand, but that will be shown down the economic growth as a first step to develop a non-polluting energy conservation system as a second step. It is commonly accepted that the standard of a living increase with an increased energy consumption per capita. And third one point is any consideration of energy requirement and supply has to take into the account that increasing the conservation measures on an industrial front and emphasis the must be placed on an increase within a constant efforts to reduce the energy consumption. Fundamental changes in the process production and the service are affected in a considerable energy saving without affecting the overall economy. It should be our an emphasis that the in the household, commercial and industrial use of energy is a considerable scope in energy saving. A term and understanding the integrated relations between environmental and energy has given a shape due to the development of a non-politic and the referred to the emerging disciplines of environment management. Means the plant has been not a design for only a generation, but it's also used for a friendly of a human, and also it does not affect on a environmental system. Means a CFO is running on a CFO has been installed in a populated area. Means the CFO is giving carbon dioxide to the out of there, and the air will be polluted, and then living off here and there people has been suffer from any diseases. So the plant has been installed away from a populated area. The government of every countries has laid down the policy. It is important that we carefully utilize our renewable non-decay of a soil, water, plant, and animal living to the sustains our economic development or exploration or compression of a thesis effect in a soil erosion in solution fluids and a rapid destruction of a forest flourishing in the wildlife resources. Means the plant has been installed in there which will not be effect on a forest, means or any soil which has been agricultured, and then will be change into the erosion solutions fluids that will be destroy our resources. The depletion of these sources such as a fuel, fodder, housing, power plant often attends to credible since a bulk of our population depends upon these natural resources. Means this power plant has been installed away from these resources. In this module I have we clearly about explain about the population introduction of a power plant and why the power plant has been installed away from a populated area, and I have also discussed about the load management why these power plant has been needed to install, and also in this module I have clearly explained about the fundamental charges which has been increased and energy, and also I have discussed that as the population has been increased, the energy consumption has been also increased as per usually as the industry has been increased, just like as the manufacturing plant has been increased in their industry and their power consumption has been also increased in these industries. So we have needed to be install the power plant. Thank you. I have completely explained about the power plant and why these power plants has been, and also I have clearly that the what the demand of energy has been increased. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and also press the bell icon. I will be provide a complete series about the power plant and the power plant introduction, and I have also upload many videos on safety, power plants and electrical energy, different modes of electrical energy. I have explained about it. So please subscribe my channel to get the more videos like this. Thank you.